Hello my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade southern carrot cake. It's going to be so moist and delicious. It's going to be bursting with carrot goodness, and we're going to put a pineapple cream cheese frosting on it. It's sure to make your mouth water. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on. You ready, my friends? Let's go bake some carrot cake magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is mix up our dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Going to stir all this together, and we're going to set this aside while we work on our wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of pineapple extract, 6 large eggs at room temperature, and 1.5 cups of canola oil. This carrot cake is going to be nice and moist. And we're going to blend all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to slowly add the dry to the wet. And blend all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our cake batter look like, nice and thick. Oh, I can smell the pumpkin pie spice too. Alright, that looks great. Next, we're going to fold in 3 cups of carrots that I finely shredded and 2/3 of a cup of pineapple chunks that I cut. Or you can use the crushed pineapple. I'm just going to fold the carrots and pineapple in. And you can add walnuts or pecans or raisins in it, but I'm just keeping it simple. And you see how our batter is turning a nice orange color? It's a beautiful batter. And you see how simple and easy this recipe is, and it's all in one bowl? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring the pineapple and carrots in, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through folding in my carrots and pineapple to my cake batter. So now we're going to pour our batter into 3 9-inch cake pans that are greased with cooking spray and flour. Alright my friends, now we're ready to put these in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, look at my gorgeous carrot cakes, and it smells amazing up in this kitchen. I love the smell of carrot cake. Alright, so all we do is let our cakes cool completely. Alright my friends, our cake is nice and cool, so now we're ready to frost them. And I'm using my pineapple cream cheese frosting. I did a video on that recently. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box. So we're going to frost all 3 layers. Alright my friends, there you have it. Homemade southern carrot cake. Doesn't that look good? I can't wait to dig in. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate. And now for the moment of truth. Look at that beautiful cake and the pineapples and the carrots. Alright, here we go. Look at that cream cheese frosting. Lord have mercy. This is the bomb.com, my friends. It melts in your mouth, so tender. Y'all enjoy this carrot cake. This deserves another bite. Carrot cake delicious. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!